Why do professionals use SSH? To do so, you have to configure Git like a pro. But how? First, download and install Git base. Then open it. In user's home directory, create a .ssh folder. Now let's generate those NASA approved SSH keys for seamless GitHub configuration. Minus details encryption method. Minus the account email for which you want to generate the key. After that, set the file name and password. If you want to use multiple accounts, such as work and personal on the same system, repeat the process with respective names and emails. You can see that private and public keys are generated for each GitHub account. Now copy the public key, paste it in your GitHub setting SSH and GPG keys, new SSH key. Repeat the process for each account for which you generated keys. Create config file to identify each GitHub account on your system. Host will be used to identify the GitHub account on your system. Identity file is the part to private key of that GitHub account. Repeat the process for all other accounts. Add private keys to SSH to avoid repeated password. Edit the global Git file with the default author name and email. Additionally, specify the directory path where you want to include a different author configuration. Create additional author configurations files in case of multiple GitHub accounts. Now it's time to test it from two GitHub accounts we added. In the SSH URL, replace .com with your GitHub host that you previously added to your config file. You can see the changes and now you have configured Git like a pro. And professionals use SSH because it increases security, avoids rate limits and makes workflow simpler for frequent users.